It is 8 a.m. This is, let's see, I started Tuesday, today's Saturday, but it's finally done, and I'm going to rip the masking off as soon as I do this. So this cowl drain cracked when I pulled it out of the, well, when I pulled it off anyway. So this whole section here cracked here, cracked here, cracked here, and this whole entire section fell off. So I just JB welded it, and I just sanded it, and I just cleaned it, and I'm going to paint it obviously black with all the rest of the black stuff that I had done before. So as soon as that's done, I'm ripping the masking off the car. Wow, it's kind of cold. This stuff sprays like it's like out of compression. That's alright, I got a coat on it, whatever. Okay, I've got a lot of masking to pull off here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, because, I mean, to me, it's not that interesting to watch me pull a bunch of trash off of somebody's car, so. Okay, so if you ever happen to do this, one thing to note is that these light bulbs, these are just like standard, I think it's just a halogen bulb, I think. It's no LED or whatever like that. These do get really hot when running the car. I mean, these are like your parking lights. So when you, I'm just gonna use, nice. So when you go ahead and put them back, just make sure that, I'm just gonna wipe it with my shirt, so that you don't have any like oils from your fingers on there, because those oils attract more heat and that winds up burning out the bulb. And you gotta take it apart and spend more money on a bulb and you just waste some time. So just take that into account when you're doing something like this. Now you shouldn't have this many wires. I just have a custom headlight which has little halo rings, and these are the LEDs that allow those to work essentially. So this is just some extra wire that usually wouldn't be on a standard vehicle. Okay, well, talk about a lot of work. That's it though, it's done for the most part. There's still some little spots that I have to touch up and do some little things on, but it's not more than 15 minutes worth of work. So I'm gonna consider it done, out of the garage, cleaned up all my shit, and the Subaru's going right back in. And I hope you guys liked what you saw. Any questions, you know, obviously let me know. I'm happy to answer anything. There's no way that I went over everything. It was kind of hard to film. I tried to get my camera out of the way the best I could because of overspray, and it did go everywhere. There was a lot of overspray. So many things to correct, many things to go over and redo. If you're going to do anything like this, patience is definitely key, which I unfortunately am not that patient. So that's why I ran into so many issues. Again, as I stated earlier in another video, dry time is something that you should really pay attention to. 48 hours if you're going to recoat. That's what I would do. I would wait 48 hours if you're going to recoat. It says if you don't recoat within the first hour, you have to wait 48 hours. So I think that's just the best way to do it. Overall, that's it. So peace.